Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial for Vidyavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 10 biology. In this video, see till my previous video I have completed your 5th chapter, that is the environment, its conservation and their its resources and their conservation. That chapter, explaining the chapter is completed. Okay, so in this video I will do the book exercise solving. Okay, that means the exercise of the book I will solve in this video. So while I will solve the exercise of the book, you please copy it down or please do it in the book. You don't have to copy it down in the copy, but please do it in the book so that later on you can memorize it. Okay, whatever I am doing it on the board, please copy it. So let's get started with the solving portion. So we will start with the book exercise solving of chapter 5. So in this, in my book it is the page number 183. So first part, that is the nitrogen cycle part, that part exercise I am solving. So first of all I will solve the MCQs. Okay, number 1, the MCQ is the approximate percentage of N2 gas in the atmosphere, that is nitrogen gas in the atmosphere is, answer will be A, 77.17%. MCQ number 2, the process of release of ammonia and its formation to ammonium ions is called ammonification. Option number B, ammonification. Number 3, question is that the process of converting ammonia to nitrate ions is, option is C, that is the nitrification. Okay. Number 4, the percentage of N2 in atmosphere is, this question I think it has got repeated. The answer will be the first one, that is same as the first one, that is 77.17%. Here the option is B, so 77.17%. Okay, so this is number 4. Now we will go for the fill in the blanks. So in the fill in the blanks, number 1 we will see first. Dash is a kind of nitrifying bacteria. Kind of means you have to give the example. So what will be the example? Nitrosomonas. Nitrosomonas is a nitrifying bacteria. See, it is the scientific name, so I am underlining it. Number 2 is that in the nitrogen cycle, Nitrobacter converts nitrites into, answer will be nitrates. Answer will be nitrates. Okay. Number 3, dash is an ammonifying bacteria. That means you have to give an example of ammonifying bacteria. Example is Bacillus mycoides. This is the example of ammonifying bacteria. Okay, next number 4. Denitrifying bacteria converts nitrate and nitrites into free nitrogen. Answer will be nitrogen. Okay, so this is all about the fill in the blanks from this chapter. Now we will go to the MCQs and fill in the blanks of the part of environmental pollution. So starting with the MCQs of the environmental pollution. Number 1, the different strata of air, water and soil where living organs survive or live together is called, option answer will be A, that is biosphere. Answer is biosphere. Number 2, which one is the major pollution agent? Obviously the answer will be man. Option C, man. We are the major polluting cause. Number 3, one of the main air pollutant is sulfur. The option is number D, sulfur. Number 4, Maximum air pollution caused by automobile exhaust and chemicals liberated industry. That means option is B. Automobile exhaust and chemical liberated industry. Number 5 is that which of the following is the main factor in water pollution? Obviously industrial waste. Answer option C, industrial waste. Okay. Number 6 is that which one of the disease is caused due to air pollution? Answer is A, lung cancer. Number 7, the term biomagnification refers to, the answer is option D, increase in concentration of non-degradable pollutants as they pass through food chain. Okay, next number 8. Greenhouse effect is due to option A, CO2. Number 9. Which of the following metals causes harmful effects? Answer will be D, all of this. Number 10 is that which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option is number C, ozone. Okay. Number 11, which one of the following is not an air pollutant? Option is C, pollen from plants. Number 12 is that which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Not a greenhouse gas, so answer will be C, oxygen. Number 13, algal blooms impart a distinct color to water due to, option is A, their pigments. Number 14, eutrophication is often seen in, number C, freshwater lakes. Number 15, which one of the following greenhouse gases contributes about 20% of the global warming? Here the options given CO2, methane, CFC and N2O, but both the options CFC and N2O both are correct. So it will be CFC and N2O. Okay, number 16 is that if a water body is contaminated with a toxicant, its biomagnification will be more marked in, answer is number D, birds. Number 17, DDT is option A, non-degradable pollutant. Non-degradable pollutant. Okay, now number 18. Which of the following pollutant is released from the moving motor vehicles? Okay, the answer will be oxides of nitrogen. So here I am writing option A, NO2. Okay, so here we are completing the MCQs. Now we will go for the fill in the blanks. Now the fill in the blanks. Number 1, is that the entire inhabited part of the earth where living organisms exist along with all the abiotic environment is called biosphere. Number 2, the materials which cause pollution to the environment are called pollutants. Number 3, major cause of air pollution in big cities is in industries and vehicles. Industries and vehicles. So here the MCQs and fill in the blanks both are completed from the second part of the chapter. So till this much I am keeping my video. In the next video I will continue with the next part of the book exercise solving. Thank you.